Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press release out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investment. It's Friday, September the 3rd, right before Labor Day long weekend. Typically don't have a lot of news for you, but I've got one great one to take with you into Labor Day long weekend. Comes out of Donner Metals, trades on the Venture Exchange under the stock symbol DON. They've announced that they received a positive feasibility study for their Breakmack-McLeod deposit in the Matagami base metal camp in central Quebec. This was a study that was commissioned by Xstrata Zinc and prepared on the base of a 65-35 split with Donner, 65 to Xstrata, 35 to Donner. Great partner to have. You got to know who Xstrata is. Here's a summary of the press release. Go take a look at the entire press release. Here's a summary of some of the bullet points that we picked out. But anytime you've got a feasibility study come out, then you've got to go read the whole thing. It's worth your time. Here's some of the highlights. Proven and probable mining reserve, 3.73 million tons, grading 9.6% zinc, 1.26% copper, 28.25 grams per ton of silver, and 0.43 grams per ton of gold. They're expecting a 4-year life of mine at 2,500 tons per day production rate, and they're saying there's got the potential to expand both reserve base and the production rate. On that note, they're expecting production to come out as 570,000 tons of zinc, 39,755 tons of copper, 47,000 kilos of silver, just rounding up there, and 445 kilograms of gold. So great mix, great metals there. Total capital cost, $163.7 million. Some economics on this, and remember, a feasibility study. This is more of a base case. It's almost like a protection document here. It's not meant to be the best case scenario, and you'll see that from the numbers. Nonetheless, the joint venture is projecting a return of 8.11%. That's an internal rate of return, and a net present value of $3.4 million. But that's using the following numbers, which are pretty conservative in my mind: 80 cents per pound zinc, $2.50 per pound in copper, $12 an ounce in silver, which is trading about 19.5 right now, and gold at $1,000 an ounce, so we know that's sitting in the $12.50 range. So they're definitely using some very conservative numbers. That's significant when you consider the next summary point here, where the company says the project is sensitive to metal prices. For example, a 10% increase in metal prices translates to a 12-fold increase in net present value and a 2-fold increase in internal rate of return. So the company's definitely built in some conservative figures here. You got to like that. Better to under promise and overperform going forward. And if you believe metal prices are going to remain strong going forward, then you've got to like the discounts that they've given here. Company closed yesterday, 27 cents a share, 52-week range, 37 on the high, 16.5 on the low, so they're trading just above their mid-range of the 52-week trading range, and they got a market cap in here in the $25 to $30 million range, depending on fully diluted or outstanding share amounts, depending on what you want to use. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. Great press release for you. If you look for more great small cap mining news, you watch this on Globe Investor, then either look below me or to the left, and you'll see great headlines and interviews that we've done in the past few days to help you find your next great investment. Otherwise, get to the front page of AGORACOM, watch the show, watch the archives on our syndication partners, iTunes, YouTube, whatever's best for you. Take a look at the best press release of the day, of the week, and finally get into our marketplace. Great succinct descriptions of each company, and you can filter that list by industry and or exchange to find the ones that best suit your portfolio. Have a great day. Have a great and safe Labor Day long weekend. No show on Monday. See you on Tuesday.